Abington, hey, it's Jason Hahn, and I'm here to try to help you guys connect to your H drive, T drive, etc. From home. So let's get to it. What we're going to do first is make sure that we go to the Abington School District webpage, and then we're going to go down, and then we're going to click on this link. Well, you can't see it. This link that says Virtual Private Network under here, under the ASD Internet, click into Virtual Private Network. Now, that's going to ask you to type in a password and everything. Just make sure that when you type in the password, you have to put your domain name first, and then /, and then whatever, and then make sure your password's your password. So your username, just be sure to have your domain in there. Okay? So anyway, from here, what you're going to do... What you're going to do here is you're going to right click on the VPN drive mapper, and then you want to save link as, and then you want to make sure that you save that to your desktop. So save it to the desktop because it's easy to find and you're going to need it. So you're going to you want to run that every time you want to access the T drive. Although I have had opportunities where I didn't have to run it and it still went to the T drive when I was looking for it. But anyway, you want to keep it close so that it's easy for you. Now, if you're on your school district laptop, you can skip the next 2 minutes or so. Or you can keep watching if you like. But basically, I'm going to do it for a desktop that is not, from the school. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the VPN client for Windows. It's pretty quick to download. Now, sometimes that installer check thing takes a little bit of time because it has to download stuff. I guess I have it downloaded already. So, and if it fails and it doesn't get to this point, you might have to try it a couple of times. It works. So don't worry about it. So once you get to here, make sure you read the agreement and everything, which, who does. And then we're going to go ahead and install this thing and just kind of wait for it to install. Now, this VPN, it creates a secure connection from our home computer to the school's network. And so we have to have this running in order for the drive mapper to work. Or that's how I see it. I could be wrong technically. But anyway, so now we hit finish to finish the wizard. Now what happens is in the lower right hand corner, okay, so this is where the laptop people, for the school district laptops, you can come back again. So this is where you're going to make sure that this is all set up correctly. This 40 client is a little green shield, and if you don't see it here, which it disappeared as you can see, but if you hit the little arrow up here, you can get that green shield with the check mark in it. There's another green kind of shield looking thing, which is different. That's something else that the school district has installed, but you want to make sure you go to the 40 client and click on this here and open the 40 client console. So we get to this screen here. Yeah. And so we want to click on configure VPN, and there isn't much that we have to do. We have to say the connection name, which is going to be Abington School District VPN, and I think you can call that whatever, but that's what they recommend. And then for the remote gateway, we're going to do vpn.abington.k12.pa.us. And so there's no @ or anything like that. It's just vpn.abington.k12. And we're going to go ahead and hit save, which leads us to this screen here. So from this screen, we're going to type in a username and type in your password. There's no need for your domain name, or anything like that. And then hit connect. Sometimes this happens. And if it does, you just go ahead and try again. It could be I typed it in wrong. It could be this just bogging down. So I don't know. Once in a while, this will happen. And if it does, just keep trying. And if it doesn't work right away, you might have to come back, maybe reset the computer or something like that. And we'll see how this goes. 5th time's a charm? No. So once in a while, you'll get this. And maybe they're doing something server side. I'm not too sure. Now, once this does connect, though, all you have to do is get this Map Network Drives icon, double click that. And right now it's not going to work because I'm not connected to the VPN. Okay, but if it did work, then all you have to do is type in or select your domain, which is senior, username, password. Don't have to put the domain thing anywhere. Just username and password, and then hit connect. Our map drives, and then your drives will be connected to your computer, and they'll show up here in your file explorer as such. Yeah. So, if you're having any troubles or anything like that at all, if you go to up here in the intranet or the, what was it called again? The VP, Virtual Private Network, and you're in this link, Matt Sneed made some good instructions here for these guys, for the laptops and for your personal computer. For Apple users, it's a little bit more complicated, so I'll leave that up to you if you want to use your MacBook or your Mac at home. But it's super duper simple for these two. I'm going to try it one more time because that's not satisfying me that I can't connect. I feel like that makes me a little bit a little annoyed. And it should connect now. Once it usually gets to 98. Okay, so there I am. I'm connected. So from there, all you got to do is open this again, and it'll say this. Make sure you have your username and password. And if you hit map drives, it says connected. And so if we go over here now, you can see I have my H drive, and I have my shared drive, the S drive, the T drive. It's all there. So hopefully this helps. Let me know, and I guess I don't know if you're having any trouble. Let me know. I've been having some time this week. I've been streaming on Twitch for my students. They seem to really enjoy that. So if you want to join my Twitch stream, it's just my name, Jason Hahn. I'm streaming tomorrow or Wednesday at 11, the 18th. So we'll see. And I don't know how long I'll keep that up for. Maybe I'll switch to Zoom. Zoom is free for teachers until June or so. I just touched my face and I shouldn't do that. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing well, and miss all of you, and I hope this helps. So take care. All right, bye.